Yes, welcome student. Today we here explain square root of a numbers in decimal form. Here any number in a decimal form then also use a long division method. Just here take an example. Find the square root of 42.25. Here this number is a decimal number and just here apply the which method? Long division method. Same way first we make the pair. Here 6 6 are 36 and 7 7 are 49 means here taken 6 6 are 36, subtract, then come here 6 and then down the pair means here pair is not down, just here put the pair decimal upside and down the pair to 5 and just here 6 plus 6 12 and just here 125 5s are 625 means square root of 42.25 is 6.5. Finding the square root 6.4009. First we make a pair, then 3 3s are 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 means 2 2s are 4, subtract 2 and next pair be down and just here in this number after we are decimal then upside also put the decimal. 2 plus 2 4, 5s are 45, 5s are 225, then subtract come 1 5 and then down next pair 45 plus 5 50 and just 3s are 1509 means square root of 6.4009 is 2.53. Here explain to find the value of square root correct up to a certain places of decimal. Means if the square root is required correct up to a 2 places of decimal, we shall find out it up to a 3 places of decimal and then round it off up to a 2 places of decimal. Just like here example. Yes, we explain example. Evaluate square root 2 correct up to 2 places of decimal. Means here find out the square root up to 3 places. Just using a long division method to just here put the 0. How many pair be taken? Up to 2 place they taken 3 pair. Just 1 1 ja 1, and then here put the decimal, then 1 plus 1 2, 24 4s are 96 and 5s are be taken, it is more than 100. Subtract, then come 4, down next pair 24 plus 4 28, then 1 ja 2 8 1, subtract, then come 1 and next then 281 plus 1 282, then taken here 4 because 5 is more than the in this number, then come 1 then subtract and here come 604. Here taken up to 2 places means square root 2 is equal to become 1.414. Just here answer be correct up to a 2 place, then taken a third place digit is a 4. It is a less than 5 means here it is a round up, then it is as it is 1. Here number become more than 5 or 5, then second place digit be increased by 1, then answer become 1.41. Next example, evaluate square root of 0.8 correct up to a 2 places of decimal. Correct up to 2 places means decimal after be taken 3 pair. Here zeros are means are taken zeros are and put decimal, then down. Here taken here 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81 bigger number, then subtract come 1 6 and down 8 plus 8 16, then taken 9s are 1 5 to 1, then subtract here come 0 0, 169 plus 9, then come 178, then taken 4s are 7 1 3 6, then subtract remainder become 7 6 4. Here square root of 0.8 is come 0.894. Same way answer be asking up to a 2 places, then taken third place digit is 4, it is less than 5 means 9b is written as it is. In this number is bigger than 5 or equal 5, then 9b at one number, but here it is a less than 5, then answer become 0.89. Thank you.